Hey everybody, Woodchuck here again. Got another video. This time, I got a PokeRev first wave pack. So, these come with 5 packs and a mega bonus pack. We show you the odds. So, we are guaranteed another Sword and Shield base or Shield set card or pack. If we get a red, which means we get either XY set or Sun and Moon era. 1 in 10 and a silver will be Black and White era. And then if we get a gold, which is 1 out of 25, we get a Wizards of the Coast, Diamond Pearl, Platinum, or Heart Gold, Soul Silver. So I ended up getting 2 of these. And we'll open the other here in just a sec. But if I even can just get a red pack or bonus pack, I'll be happy. So what it does come with guaranteed are Evolving Skies, Darkness Ablaze, Vivid Voltage, Chilling Reign, and Battle Styles. I've seen a few videos where even the green packs, what was in them, were major hits. So let's open it up and see what we got for our first. I'm trying to do it so we don't look at the... Man, these are hard to open. Hold on 1 second. Sealed. There we go. So, that feels like the big pack. So we got our 5 right here. And our mystery is green. So we know it's Sword and Shield. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. And we get... There we go. We got a Vivid Voltage. So, let's open what we got up. So, let's see. Chilling, Darkness, Vivid, Evolving. So, I feel like the best way to do it is I'm going to do them in chronological order when they came out. So, it'd be Darkness, Vivid, Battle, Chilling, Evolving. And then we'll open this guy last. So, Darkness. One, two, three, 4. Fire Energy, Pupitar, Pokemon Breeders Nurturing, Fletchinder, Vanillite, Trapinch, Teddiursa, Pansear, Marlowe, Corviknights Reverse, Delcatty, non-hollow, Vivid, there's that, 1, 2, 3, 4, go, Fire Energy, Gogoat, Bitterthorn, Dusclops, Nursery, Whismur, Drillbur, Whalmer, Cottony, Galvantula, Reverse, Clefable. Alright, Battle Styles. Alright. Fun Energy, Hunkcrow, Corviknight, Brushix, Billpug, Silicobra, Lickitung, Houndour, Horsey, Broxish, Reverse, Salazzle, non-hollow. Hopefully I don't get skunked. Is that for chilling? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So, Lightning Energy, Rug Helmet, Corvabble, Doctor, Ladybug, Porygon, hold on, Swirlix, Sneasel, Snover. Reverse Hollow is a Galarian Mask, and a Golurk is our non-hollow. All right, Evolving Skies. Haven't had much luck with evolving, but who knows, this might change. We got Psychic, Herdier, Prior, Dream Ball, Roggenrola, Psyduck, Swablu, Seedot, Ubat. Floette is a reverse. Talonflame non-hollow. So let's see if our mystery pack has anything good. And don't worry, after this, we're going to right away open the other pack. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Well, shoot. I didn't get all that there, but okay, Togekiss V. And I'm just going to show you here. And Kakuna. I missed it there, but oh well. But hey, we did get a hit. So we'll put that right up there. And then we got our second right here. So let me just going to open this off camera here just so I can get it open here without having to look at it too. Okay, here we go. So, here are 5. And, oh, we got another green. Oh, and there's a Pokéref sticker. That's right, they did come with those. I'll have to get the other later. So, yeah, sorry about that. I got so many cards, I need to go through them all. And our pack out of here is, looks like, Battle Styles. Alright, so we're going to do just like we did before. We're going to do Darkness, Vivid, Battle, Chilling, Evolve, and this guy will open last. Darkness. Very Curly Moshep. So, Metal Energy, Heat Fire Energy, Relicanth, Swellovis, Meltan, Marine, Purloin, Starly, Aron, Passimian is the reverse, Thievul non-hollow. Vivid. There we go. 2, 3, 4. Psychic, Swellow, Washwater, Charmeleon, Shuppet, Poochyena, Voltorb, Rockruff, Tailo. Ooh, we got a reverse, amazing rare Zamazenta. And a rare, Colossal VMAX. I love it. So, here are those. That was a double hit out of there. Alright, Battle Styles. Can we go for that alternate art of Tyranitar V like I did in that Whatnot got from Whatnot? 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Fire Energy, Gridor, Durant, Camping Gear, Lickitung, Horsey, Mankey, Maul, Fromantis, Octillery Reverse, Marowak, non-hollow. Chilling. Okay. There's 4. Fighting, Welcoming Lantern, Clara, Raleigh. I remember getting a Japanese Rainbow Rare of that. Ghastly, Khufu, Hatiana, Sobble, whoops, Non-Sweet, Sawsbuck, Reverse, Galarian Surfetch, non-hollow. Evolve. I'm anticipating evolutions to come, or not evolutions, but celebrations. Been wanting to get some packs. Hope just been tough. Almost screwed it up there. I don't know what I was doing there. 2, 3, 4. Yep. But before I do, I forgot to show you the code. So there you go. So Metal Energy, Single Strike, Scroll of the Fang Dragon, Follette, Boldore, Bergmite, Carvanha, Emolga, Slackoth, Glossifleur, Papatoad Reverse, and Noivern V. It's really cool. Whoops. And now from our bonus pack is Battle Styles. Can we get something good out of this? There we go. So, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we did it right. So, Metal Energy, Bullifant, Crawdont, Grumpig, Onyx chilling and relaxing, looking all cool, Spearow, Sizzlepede, Shinx, Cacnea, Honedge Reverse, and Lucarantis Non-Hollow. Alright, so as you can see, our big hits today were Togekiss V from the first batch, and then Noivern V, Colossal V Max, and Zamazenta Amazing Rare from the second. Alright, so with that said, thank you, PokeRev, for distributing these cards out. I did appreciate I was able to get a hold of these. Hold on, let me do it again. So, shout out to PokeRev. Hey, these packs, I may not have gotten big hits compared to others, but hey, I will say this was a lot of fun to open up. So, shout out to him. And until next time, hope you all have a great day. Be safe out there. God bless. Like and subscribe. And Woodchuck is signing out. Peace.